Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, new week, new puzzles, October the 24th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the Sudoku with three stars and the Sudoku with 4 stars. Two puzzles are left. Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. And this one, I will start in a few seconds. The binary puzzle, and this will be in number 5377. Yeah, 5377. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Is this one? Let me count the boxes. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8. A binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Oh no, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Well. Now I need to think. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a O1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Alright. We have here 3 O's in this row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row. In this row, not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Alright. In this row, we have still 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row. In this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Okay. Then let me think. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So this box should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. And we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have here 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Then, yeah, then we need to compare now. Yeah, we need to compare. Three O's. No, 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 no. All right. I believe one. Yeah. This row in the last row. Oh, oh, one, one, oh, oh, empty box. One, one, oh, oh, one, one, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Finish in 6 minutes. Wow. Only one time comparing. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you later with the last puzzle of today, 8 Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.